Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today I'm just going to do a quick video on how I repair my wheels and axles on my Hot Wheels Spin Master Monster Jam trucks. I'm sure like most of you, your kids bend the wheels real bad, and there's an easy solution and for a decent price. This is the tool I came up with to repair the axles. This is a brake caliper tool, and it's utilized to compress your brake cylinder back in after you remove your pads. It was around $14 on Amazon. What I did was, after I purchased it, I cut 2 slots here for the axles to fit into. And then I drilled another hole that goes all the way through both pieces to remove the axle from one tire. This is the vehicle we'll be working on today. As you can see, the front tires are in pretty bad shape. Back tires won't even spin at all. So I'm going to demonstrate how I remove the tires. Also, there is a link in the description for this tool. So here's what I do to remove the tires. I take the pickup truck, an axle, and I slip it down into the slots that I created in the tool. And then I hold it and simply open up the... As you can see, it pops the tires right off. I'll go ahead and do the other side as well. As you can see, this one's really bent. So this one's going to give me a little bit of a challenge. Trying to get in there. Okay, so now I have them all the way down. And I'm going to slowly open the tool, which is separating the tires. And as you can see, it pops them right off. Now to the part where I drilled the small hole in both sides of the splitter. I take my tire, I slip it in, close this up a little more, I slip it into the hole, I take a pair of vice grips, and then I simply open the tool again, splitting the two parts. Show you again how that works. On the other axle, again, I push it in, I apply my vice grips, I hold both items, I open up the tool, and it pulls both off again. Real easy, simple. So we come over to the workbench with the 2 axles. Apply it onto a small piece of metal and just slowly roll it. After you straighten your axle, install one on one side of the tire. You then come over, put it through the vehicle itself, put the other tire back on the axle, this tire on the axle, then you gently tap the wheels back together. And here you have it, folks. The wheels on the truck go round and round.